Welcome, I'm filming the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously you want to find Settings application. From here, scroll all the way down to General Management, select Reset, and then select Factory Data Reset. Now this will provide you with information of basically what it will remove, so there's an entire list of things that it gets rid of. If there's anything in that list that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now, assuming you have already done the backup or you simply don't want to, click on Reset. If you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I have a pattern. And then select Delete All, which will begin the process. So this will probably take several minutes to complete, and once it has been completed, you should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.